If you want to wipe your internet history in Mozilla Firefox, this video will show you the fastest way to do it, step by step. Whether you want to clear your browsing history, remove cookies, or delete cached files, Firefox makes it simple. This is useful if you want to protect your privacy, fix loading issues, or just clean up your browser data. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Let's jump in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the Menu button. That's the icon with the 3 horizontal lines. This opens the main Firefox menu, where you can access your browsing tools and privacy settings. From the menu, hover over or click History. In the History section, select Clear Recent History. A new window will appear with options for deleting your browser data. This is where you choose exactly what you want to remove. Now look for the time range next to When. Click the drop-down menu and choose the range that fits your needs. For example, you can select Last Hour if you only want to clear recent activity, or choose Everything if you want to wipe all of it. After that, you'll see a list of items you can delete. Check the boxes for the data you want to remove. This may include browsing and download history, cookies, cache, active logins, and form or search history, depending on what Firefox shows in your version. If your goal is a full cleanup, be sure to select the items that matter most to you. If you only want to clear part of your data, leave the other boxes unchecked. Once you've selected everything you want to delete, click Clear. Firefox will process the request and remove the selected data from your browser. When it's done, your history and other chosen items will be gone from the selected time range. And that's it. You've successfully wiped your internet history in Mozilla Firefox. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference for privacy and browser performance. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.